Hi everyone! Want to use Google Sheets in dark mode on your desktop or PC? By default, Google Sheets doesn't offer a true dark mode for the desktop web version. But there's an easy solution that gives you a comfortable dark viewing experience while you work. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Google Sheets using the free Turn Off the Lights browser extension. Plus, I'll explain the two night mode rendering options. Personalized theme and standard theme, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Let's get started. Night mode offers two rendering options, personalized theme and standard theme. The personalized theme lets you customize the background and text colors to match your preferences. The standard theme automatically transforms the web page into a well-balanced dark theme without requiring any additional customization. To enable night mode on the Google Sheets website, double-click the gray lamp button. This will open the Turn Off the Lights mini settings panel. Next, click the second tab, Night Mode, then scroll down and click the Night Mode button to activate it. As you can see, your Google Sheets webpage now has a complete dark theme that matches your personalized color settings. That includes the menu bar and all its panels, which are also displayed in dark mode. To switch back to the default theme, open the Mini Settings panel again and click the same Night Mode button. Now let me show you the other night mode rendering engine. Right-click the gray lamp button and select Options. This will open the Turn Off the Lights options page. In the left sidebar, click Night Mode. Then scroll down until you see the Personalized Theme and Standard Theme options. Select the Standard Theme radio button. Next, return to your Google Sheets tab. Double-click the gray lamp button to open the Mini Settings panel. Click the second tab, Night Mode, and then click the Night Mode button. Google Sheets will now switch to a balanced dark theme, including your documents, using the standard theme rendering engine. To switch back to the default light theme, open the Mini Settings panel again and click Night Mode to turn it off. And that's it. Smash that like button if you learned something, and subscribe for more tips you didn't know you needed. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.